Hello traders, and welcome to this week's Market Outlook from XNES. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Leader, and here I'm going to be giving an idea for a trade over the next few days, narratives that might drive the movement, what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of in terms of news and data. But before that, let's look back at last week's idea and see how that did. Last week, the idea was a potential buy for American light oil from the area around $71.50 with a potential target around $73. The idea was fully accurate with the price moving up in the couple of days after the publication of the video. This week, the idea is a possible buy for pound yen from the area around 188.50. The potential target might be around the highs from earlier in February, about 192 to 193 yens. This idea is probably more for the medium term, and it might be more reliable if the price first goes down to retest the area around 188 and then moves to bounce after that. It's possible also that it could continue further above 192 into the further future. One of the primary narratives driving the possible gains by the pound against the yen is increasing expectations that the Bank of England will remain restrictive. We can see that British inflation, in terms of the annual headline figure for January, was unexpectedly high at 3%. That seems to reinforce the impression that the Bank of England will only cut twice more this year. There's no really critical data coming out this week, but it's possible that traders might focus to some degree on Japanese industrial, retail, and housing data, which are coming out on Thursday night and Friday morning GMT. In summary, the idea this week is a potential buy for pound yen with a possible target around 192 to 193. Primary narrative is increasing expectations of continued tightness by the Bank of England and higher British inflation, while the somewhat important data coming out this week are from Japan, industrial, retail, and housing. Please remember that this is just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal. It's not a guarantee of success. You always need to do your own research and manage risk.